Shift the chain onto the smallest sprocket. Find the chain quick link. Place the chain quick link hook. Use quick release pliers to squeeze the chain quick link inward to open it. Remove the chain quick link hook. Remove the chain from the derailleur and the chainring. Use long nose pliers to remove the shift cable cap. Use a 5mm hex key to loosen the screw that secures the shift cable. Remove the shift cable. Use a 5mm hex key to remove the rear derailleur. Press the shift hook against the screw. Apply thread locking adhesive. Install the rear derailleur. Tighten the screw. Thread the shift cable through the rear derailleur. Put on the shift cable cap. Use a hexagonal cable crimping pliers to clamp it tightly. Clip the wiring harness into the fastening screw. Pull the wire harness tight and make it straight. Tighten the screw. Place the chain on the smallest sprocket. Engage it with the derailleur chainring. Use the chain quick link hook to hook the two ends of the chain. Connect the chain with the chain quick link. Use quick release pliers to tighten the quick link outward. Remove the chain quick link hook. Make sure the chain rotates smoothly. Use a Phillips screwdriver to turn the H-screw below to adjust the derailleur pulley. Visually check that the chain is flush with the derailleur pulley. Rotate the crank smoothly and at a constant speed. Shift the chain to the largest chainring. Use a Phillips screwdriver to turn the L-screw above to adjust the derailleur pulley. Visually check that the chain is flush with the derailleur pulley. Rotate the crank smoothly and at a constant speed. Adjust the gears up and down to ensure normal rotation. Keep the chain rotating. If the chain jumps automatically, use the app to fine-tune the gears. If the chain skips upwards, click the minus sign for adjustment. If the chain skips downwards, click the plus sign for adjustment. Switch gears up and down to ensure the chain rotates normally. Check that there is no friction noise from the chain and no outward chain derailment.